Welcome everyone. Today I'm unboxing the PNY GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. This card has 16 gigs of GDDR7 and it's overclocked. It says the features include a metal backplate, which adds additional support to prevent the card from sagging, and vents that enhance passive cooling. It also includes the Velocity X software, which gives you full control of your PNY graphics card. I will not be using that because this is going in a Linux workstation, and it will be a secondary card for machine learning. So let me go ahead and open it up. They do not make this easy to open. Okay, you got the quick installation guide here for those that need a manual, and the card itself. So pretty basic. And that looks very nice. All right, pretty basic. So that is the entire unboxing. Thank you.